thutha wa rugare wa kiuteti bururi-ini gukorwo abatirite na gikiro kinene ihinda-ini ria thiku nini hituku makiria kumana na uteti uria uthiite na mbere gwakiriria icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Riu munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto niarutite Mukana murumu kuri atongoria undu umwe na akenya ituri-ini itiganite cia bururi kumana na gutuhuka miario iria ingicugira ngui gatagati wa akenya.
There will be no negative ethnic divisive politics based on hate. That it will not happen in this region again, and we will never ever go that route again. We will do whatever it takes, pay whatever price it will cost us to make sure this region is peaceful, is united.
Ruto uria waritio muciini gwake mwena wa Sugoi kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu augite gutiri hindi thirikari ingicugira bururi kuoya mwerekera ta wa mwaka wa 2007-2008 niamu guku angikorwo areta bururi gucokia kara haria warumeirwo.
It doesn't matter who wins or loses what election. This region and our country will become peaceful. We will live peacefully.
Mukana uyu wa Ruto ukite kurumirira miario ya ica ikuhi uria wari mubunge wa Njoro Joseph Kiuna udumwe na mudurume ungi Dennis Mutai uria ndumiriri yake mutambo-ini wa Twitter yonekanite aria gucogera muingi.
No, when you have done a mistake, that is where you'll apologize. But when you know you are right and you have not done anything wrong, you don't have any mistake. So you don't have to apologize for anything. Personally, I'm ready to write any statement if I'll be called anywhere because according to me, my mind and my intentions was not to incite anybody. In fact, I was saying the truth and I was telling Kenyans the fact and the truth just the way it is.
I know there will be temptation by people for this reason or that reason to try and drive us in that direction. Good people, we must build a big army to stand up against the politics of hate, ethnicity and division.
Ere riu ni mathitwo gwikinyia ceceni-ini ya borithi iria iri hakuhi nao kwandikithia ndumiriri kumana na miario yao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.